In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add expenses in Xero accounting software. This process is straightforward and will have you recording expenses in no time. To begin, you need to ensure you're logged into your Xero account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once there, enter your registered email address and password to access your account. After logging in, you should land on the Xero dashboard, which is your central hub for managing your accounting tasks. Now from the dashboard, locate the Business tab in the menu at the top of the page and click on it. This will present you with several options related to your business operations. Next, you'll need to scroll down and find Expense Claims. Clicking on this option will take you to the expense management section of Xero. If this is your first time dealing with expenses on Xero, you might be prompted to set up the expenses feature. If that's the case, just follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. Xero guides you through these steps conveniently, with clear instructions to make sure everything is configured correctly. After you've set up the expenses feature, or if you already have it set up, you can start adding expenses. Look for the option New Expense on the page and click on it. This will open up a form where you need to input details about the expense you're recording. Select expense claim from the options available, and then you'll see fields to fill in the various details of your expense. You'll need to provide information like the total amount, the date of the expense, and a brief description of what the expense was for. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields with the relevant information, Xero offers the handy feature of uploading a receipt image. This is particularly useful for documentation and tracking purposes, ensuring you have evidence of the transaction should you need it later. Simply attach an image or scan of your receipt to the expense entry. After you have entered all of the details and attached the receipt, review everything to make sure it's accurate and complete. Now, if you have the authority to approve expenses, you can go ahead and click on Approve. This action will finalize the expense entry, officially recording it in your accounts. If not, you can click on Submit, which will forward the expense to the right person for approval. That's all there is to it. Adding expenses in Xero is a simple task once you get the hang of it. It ensures that all your financial records are up to date and well organized, helping you manage your business's financial health more effectively. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful for your accounting needs.